Hello everyone, welcome to my project AquaSentinel, a lionfish detector and data collector. So you may be asking, what's the problem I aim to solve? Well, the pristine waters of the Caribbean are under threat from the menacing invasion of lionfish. These voracious predators native to the Indo-Pacific have no natural predators in the Caribbean, causing them to rapidly multiply and decimate native fish populations. Their presence poses an imminent danger to the delicate ecological balance of the region. My solution is using ImageNet, ResNet 18, and a custom complex image classification program. We can detect and identify any invading lionfish, even in the most challenging underwater conditions, with incredible accuracy. The moment a lionfish is detected, we can send an alert and email to marine conservation teams, local authorities, and volunteers on the ground. Data is also automatically stored to help researchers in the form of a CSV file that keeps track of how many lionfish are detected in a day, logs which show what animals and lionfish are detected with timestamps, and a bar graph to analyze the data. This is a CSV file. It shows how much lionfish have been detected each day the program has ran. This shows the CSV file in a visual format, and these are the logs, which we will talk about later. These are our modules that we imported. We have our Jetson modules, argparse, datetime, CSV, matplotlib, smtplib, email modules, and time. This is the email you're emailing from, your app key password, and the email you're emailing to. If you happen to find a live lionfish, replace this email with the email to local authorities or conservation organizations. This is our send underscore email function, which we can call later to send an email. If it successfully sent an email, it will print email sent successfully, or else it will print failed to send email. This is our def send multi-part email. This is for sending a daily batch report email, which is different from this email. In our daily batch report, we basically give the overview, which is the total amount of lionfish detected during the whole day. The CSV file information, which is all the lionfish detected through the program time the program has been running, and the PNG image, which shows that in a visual format. This is the code to create a bar chart, as we just saw. Has a detection count and the number of days the program has ran. This is our log underscore detection underscore data function. It logs data into the detection underscore data.txt. As we see, if the class is lionfish, it will write found lionfish and send an email says lionfish detected, or else it will say found and then the class name with the X, contrary to the check mark that you see when you found a lionfish, to differentiate the two. As we see in the detection data, we see found lionfish when a lionfish is detected, or found, for example, jellyfish, and the X mark. We also have, for more information, visit the Google Doc. This Google Doc contains information on what to do if you find a lionfish, such as alert local swimmers, contact the Caribbean Regional Presence, and contact the Caribbean Nature Conservancy. This Google Doc will not show up if you found something else, as we are specialized in lionfish. This saves the bar chart as a PNG file. This displays the information in our CSV inside the terminal in a tabular format. So our parser and image classification code. This calls the log detection data function. This will print the steps on what to do if you detect a lionfish inside the terminal as well. So you can see it in the logs and the terminal. This is our send daily email function, as we talked about before when we were referencing our multi-part email function. This reads the information in the CSV and it puts in the tabular format to send in the daily email to see how much lionfish have been detected as the program ran. We see the total lionfish spotted and the CSV information, which is all the lionfish detected each day the program ran. The PNG, which is that in a visual format. And this is when or we send the daily email. We can send it at any time that we choose. For example, for me it is right now 12:17. So let's just do 12:17. And if we run this, it should send a daily email at 12:17. Okay, looks like we have our log email has been sent successfully. That's the first send email function. Whenever a lionfish is detected, that will send. We have our daily lionfish detection counts in the terminal. We have our steps, what to do in the terminal, and we have sent daily mail. If we go to if we go to our Gmail, we have a lionfish detected, and today for me is Friday, and this is the first time I'm running the program in Friday. So it will have a report. This is the log report email. So it has lionfish detected at the timestamp, the image, and the confidence rating. And this is our daily lionfish count report. So today is Friday, and I've only run this program once. So we have all of our information the past few days, as well as today. We've ran it one time, and the bar graph has updated to show that. We also have a GitHub page for AquaSentinel. Here we have the Python, the counts in PNG, the CSV, the logs. You can check that out. Overall, I believe this project has a lot of potential. It is incredibly useful for researchers and conservation organizations. It can also be easily expandable to detect and collect data on other marine invasive species or endangered species. So, thank you for listening, and that's it.